Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a simple birthday cake for my church's November birthday celebration. Stick and stay with me as we make this monochrome birthday cake you are seeing here. Ingredients for today's birthday cake include our 6-inch vanilla cake layers, which are 3 in all. We also have some edible gold balls, my no sugar milk and vanilla syrup, our perfect American buttercream frosting with a portion colored in the shade aqua blue, and the rest all left plain. We'll also be using a fork, some scraper, tissue, the complete cake box and its set with the turntable, some solution tape, a serrated knife, our serving tray here. We'll also use some skewers for support, our homemade fondant recipe is linked below, you can check out. We also have our cutters and all others necessary for the cake decoration. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we are going to place some frosting onto our cake board, which has been cleaned. Then we'll add our first vanilla cake layer to it. We'll add some frosting right after the drizzling of the no sugar milk and vanilla syrup. Next, we are going to add the next cake layer after smoothing out the frosting, and we'll alternate this process till all three are stacked and assembled. After that, we'll trim off the excesses on the edges to give it a smooth finish after it is crumb coated and finally decorated. Now we are going to crumb coat the cake and then we'll move on to freezing it for 30 minutes before we add the next frosting to it. This is purposely done to prevent any cake particles from appearing on the main finished product and keep it as smooth and as beautiful and very presentable. After the cake comes out of the fridge, I'm going to decorate it with the rest of the frosting as seen, and then we'll smoothen it out to look as beautiful as this. Today we are trying a new technique which we'll be using our fork here to make. We'll start by creating vertical and horizontal lines. So we'll start with the horizontal ones first, we'll continue with the vertical. We'll do this on at least 1/3 of the cake all around, and then we'll leave a small portion out just to differentiate and create a balance around the design. This process might take a while, but with patience it looks very beautiful at the end. So stick and stay with me as I do this. As this process is ongoing, I would be happy if you could subscribe to the channel right now by tapping on the subscribe button, which is absolutely free, and you turn on your notification icon, which is the bell icon, to all, so that every single video we post all throughout the week you get access to it and enjoy the content that we create. Thank you for subscribing. We are almost done, so this is how it looks. and we are finishing the top bits. To create this beautiful look. Now with the 1/3 portion that was left out, we'll decorate that with some edible gold balls just to create a contrast in the design. This was just an off-head kind of design. We are going to top it up with our happy birthday topper, and then we'll add the cutouts from our black homemade fondants inscribing the November bonds, and that's about it. We'll finish the look with some gold balls as well. And this is how the cake looks like after all the decor has been done. What do you think, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now we are going to package it as per usual with the rest of the cake box, and then we deliver it to church. This cake was made on the 7th of December and was delivered for the birthday celebration of November bonds at PCG Salem Congregation, Accra, Ghana. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.